Hello. Hello, hello, welcome. Let's give each other a wave, put it in gallery view. Great. Okay, so we'll start with a warm-up. Today's song is easy, it's fun, you know it, so we can take it slowly. We can just enjoy our time here without too hard learning. Okay, upright, upright, upright. Let's make sure our shoulders are relaxed. And if you could try hanging your arms both sides of your body, and breathing into your belly as you're completely relaxing your face. Just the breath, watch the breath going into here. As you're sitting down, next time breathe in, breathe out with an R, any pitch, let's go. Relaxing here. Next time a bit more. We will need quite a lot of sounds today. So we're going to sing any notes that is comfortable for you, but I'll go up and then I'll go down, I'll go up. You go up to the heights you want and up to the lows, down to the lows you want, okay? I'm going to this one, breathing into the lower part of our rib cage. Let's go. Take another breath, go even higher. Going higher. Check your body for any tensions. Let's go, let go. Just everything is just loose and relaxed. You can go higher. Now let's go up and down. As you're sitting upright, as the crown of your head is the top point in your body, and you're absolutely upright. Up and down, the back of your mouth is lifted. So you're singing like that, as if you're singing through your crown rather than to the front of your mouth, okay? Up and down, let's go. Oh, one more time. Oh, and last time. Okay. Today's song doesn't have a very big range, so we can sing it on several different keys to please our tenors, maybe. I know some of you are tenors there, and sopranos, but we will start with the most easy key for most of us. Now, let me switch to gallery view and just have a show of hands. How many of you, shall I say, don't know the song? Right, everyone knows the song, right? All of you know it. I'm sure you know it. Now, there are several different variants of the melody, but we will just go through the most common, the one I know, even though the Vertinsky version that I put on the website is slightly different to the, it's supposed to be the original, slightly different to how we know it. La la la. La 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 la. I'm going to switch gallery view. I want to see you singing out and adding a bit more volume this time. Verse. Let's go, the verse. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Here comes our chorus. La 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 la. knew that it was a Russian song? You all did. Come on. Well done. Well done. I told you in my little description of this on Facebook, actually, on my wall, I said that when I was music directing one of the Russian plays here in Coventry in England, we played Russian art songs all the way through. I sang folk songs. We played the appropriate songs, music from that period of time. Gogol, this is like Romance time at its best. And this critic wrote a review that it was lovely to hear all that Russian traditional music, appropriate music, but why did the musicians decide to put an English tune at the end of the show as the grand finale? It's not an English tune. So let's look at our text. Let's look at our text. Today we have the luxury of time, so it would be nice to see what the Russian text says and match it against the version in English that you might know. So we will just read it, just one verse all the way through, translate it, and then sing it, our usual. Let's go. I will read the line, then we read it again, yeah, together. Let's go. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами. Let's go together. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами. Next line. А вдали мелькали огоньки. So don't forget that the apostrophe is a soft consonant. Again. А вдали мелькали огоньки. Let's read the next line. Let's go. Мне б сейчас соколики за вами. And one more time. Мне б сейчас соколики за вами. And the last one. Душу б мне развеять от тоски. And one more time. Душу б мне развеять от тоски. This is a slightly different text to how I know it, as you know, how the song survived to my times, and I sang it in restaurants and clubs, and you know, throughout my Soviet time, Russian time, of playing at celebrations and stuff. But this is supposed to be the original. Now you see that you have merging little parts of Russian speech, which is b, for example, мне б сейчас, yeah, мне б, it almost becomes a p. It just kind of half ignore it, okay? It doesn't really mean anything by itself, but as if, yeah, it has this if meaning to it. So first line, let's translate it. Ездили, walking, going. На тройке, on a troika, a three-horsed wagon. S, with. Бубенцами is little bells that go on the horses. And вдали, far away, мелькали, flickering. Огоньки, little lights. So bells tinkling. I see the lights flickering in the distance. Yeah, that's not exactly what the text says, but it's very close. Мне б, for me, сейчас, it would be good for, I don't even know how to say. Мне means to me, сейчас is now. B means if, yeah? If I now, Sokoliki. Sokoliki is a nice way to refer to people. Sokoliki means it's a bird, but especially male people are related to as Sokoliki very often. За вами, so it's free birds. За вами, after you. So for me, it would be good to free birds after you. Душу is soul. B. If would be good too. Мне, for me, развеять, to make it Развеять is when you send things away, when you free yourself from something. Развеять от, from, and тоски is longing or yawning. So I would like to follow you free ones, and with you I would free my soul from all sorrows, something like that. Okay, people are commenting. Let me see what's happening there. Chat. I suspect Hopkins. Stop talking about Mary Hopkins, because this is much more interesting. You all know the Mary Hopkins version. Let's try and sing it, yeah? I'll go slowly. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами, а вдали мелькали огоньки. Мне б сейчас, соколики, за вами, душу бы мне развеять от тоски. Okay, I'm going to throw you straight into the chorus and read it and invite you to read it with me. 1, 2. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня. How is that for you? I'll stop. We'll do it one more time. We'll have to sing it lots and fast. So let's get used to this. Like that, this tempo, let's go. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня. There is ночью in the second line. There should be either an apostrophe or a yod. Ночью, ночью. And you notice that we merge some words like с песней in the third line. С песней comes together. С песней, you don't break that. Вдаль, the fourth line. Вдаль, вдаль, yeah? You bring them together. Let's try and sing that really slowly. Дорогой, and go. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня. I won't translate that. I'll go for the next 4 lines. Let's go together. Line 5. И с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. These 4 lines one more time. И с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Okay? И стой, that's where we are. Let's go from the 5th line. И let's go. И стой старинною, стой семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Let's bring our chorus together. Sing it all the way through and then remind me, or I might remember to translate it. Da, let's go. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня. И с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Let's stop. I know you want to carry on because the song just takes you somewhere. Дорогой is a road or a path. In this case, it's road. Длинною is long. И is and, ночью, night. Лунною is moonlit. So in the long road, the moonlit night. И, third line, и с песней, and with a song, песни, песня. Той, that, so and with that song, что, which, вдаль, into afar, into distance. Летит is to fly away. Звеня, ringing. So with that song that flies away, ringing. The fifth line, и and с is with той. That старинною comes from старое, which is old, and with that old, с with той, that. Семиструнною, how is that word for you? Beautiful word. Семиструнною. You know, we have семиструнная гитара, 7-string, right? 7-string. Семиструнная, 7-string Russian guitar. So it says with the 7-string one, but we know that it means the traditional Russian guitar, which was accompanied Russian art songs quite a lot. It's quite traditional. So with that 7-string guitar, что, which, по ночам, in the nights, at nights. Так, so, мучила comes from мучить, which is to torture, to torment. Меня, me, that it used to torment me so much, that 7-string guitar. Oh, what a torture. Okay, chorus. Дорогой. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так и мучила меня. Okay, how is that? Oh, things are happening here in the chat. Monotonous bells of the coachman. Not in this song, Paul. There's nothing monotonous here. It's fast. I won't tell you what the feeling here is because the text is very interesting. I would like us to get to the end of it because we have just 2 more verses. So shall we try that? What do you think? Let's do it. It's interesting to know. I'd like you to know. This is the Russian original. Second verse. You know what? Let's practice our first and second verse again so we know it well. We have time. Let's just enjoy it. Ездили. First verse. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами, а вдали мелькали огоньки. Мне б сейчас соколики за вами, душу б мне развеять от тоски. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною да семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Let's look at the next verse straight away. Так живя, okay? I'm going to read it twice every time so you can catch up with me. Let's go. Так живя без радости, без муки. One more time. Так живя без радости, без муки. Next line. Помню я ушедшие года. And one more time. Don't forget to say soft consonants where there is an apostrophe. And помню я ушедшие года. How is ушедший? Lots of sh here, right? Ушедший. Yeah? Next line. И твои серебряные руки. One more time. И твои серебряные руки. And last line here. В тройке. It's rather F rather than V. So yeah, в тройке. So we mix them together. Let's go. В тройке улетевший навсегда. And one more time. No. В тройке улетевший навсегда. So, так, so. Живя, living, без, without, радости, joy. Без, without, муки, torment. So, living without joy and without torment. So, it's quite plain. Помню, remember, I remember. Я is me, I remember. Ушедшие comes from shol, which is to walk, but it means went, they gone by, the past, gone away. Года is plural for years, so the years that have gone by, that have left, yeah, they're gone. И твои, и and твои is your. Серебряное is lovely, it's silver, руки, hands, and your silver hands. В тройке, in the тройка, in the three-horse wagon, улетевший, flown away, we had that in the first verse, улетевший, flown away, навсегда, forever. So your silver hands in that troika that has flown away forever. So we're talking about the past, we're talking about the nice things in the past, and now the person singing the song is living without joy and without torment, so life is quite plain, nothing exciting. Let's sing that verse. Так, живя без радости, без муки, помню я ушедшие года, и твои серебряные руки в тройке улетевшей навсегда. Chorus. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, из песни той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что поначалу так мучила меня. Ай, дай, 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 So let's have a singing break now. We will sing a bit more, okay? And then, oh, you've frozen. You've frozen. Are you there? Hello, can you see me? You've all frozen for a minute. I got scared that my internet wasn't working. Oh, I don't want that to happen. So let's sing through these two verses with added la-la-las, okay? Just to let's get into the feel. Just imagine that song was written, composed, and the text was written almost 100 years ago. And we still enjoy it. How cool is that? I love that. Okay, so from the first verse to chorus to la la la, to the second verse to chorus to la la la. Oh, I don't want you to read the third verse, but I guess you know it already. So. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами, а вдали мелькали огоньки. Мне б сейчас соколики за вами, души бы развеять от тоски. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, Oh yeah, thank you very much for la-la-lying. I heard Diana, I heard you singing, so well done. Let's look at our third verse straight away whilst we have the connection. Let's look at that. Okay, I'm scared to change my mobile connection to my computer connection. Let's just try with this one. If it disconnects again, I'll just stay there, okay? Third verse, let's go. The same thing again. Let's do this. 3 and 4. Дни бегут, печали умножая. One more time, let's go. Дни бегут, печали умножая. Дни, yeah, you have to pronounce these two together. Дни. Next line. Мне так трудно прошлое забыть. One more time. Мне так трудно прошлое забыть. Okay, next line. Как-нибудь однажды, дорогая. Okay, one more time. Как-нибудь однажды, дорогая. And the last one. Вы меня придете хоронить. And again. Вы меня придете хоронить. On that word, Russian speakers just the heart sinks on that one. So let's translate that. Дни, days. Бегут are running. Печали, sadness, sorrows. Умножая, multiplying. So the days are running, rushing quickly, multiplying my sadness. Мне, for me, так, so, трудно, hard, difficult. Прошлое, the past. Забыть, to forget. So it's so hard for me to forget the past. Now, here comes the sad one, a Russian art song one. If nobody dies, remember, if nobody dies in the Russian folk song, if one person dies, it's a happy one. Как-нибудь, one day, однажды, однажды is also the same, once, yeah? Дорогая, my dear one. Вы is you, respectful for you. We have ты and вы to refer to one person. Меня, me. Придете, will come. Хоронить, to bury. One day you will come to bury me. How is that? Yeah, so I'll be dead and you'll come to say goodbye. Nice. Don't cry. Let's try to sing it. You know, Russian art songs, this exaggerated, feeling, that's very much like Russian songs, and talking about suicide and nothing else to live in life for. I'm sure that in other cultures, in Romanticism, just think, it's just a few years after romantic era. That was quite a traditional thing, yeah, to go that way. Verse 3. Дни бегут, печали умножая. Мне так трудно прошлое забыть. Как-нибудь однажды, дорогая, вы меня придете хоронить. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, из песни той, что вдаль летит звеня, с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так Russian art song. I don't know how people could I don't know, there's stuff happening about comparing it with the English version. So you see, it's a very different text, right? It's a completely different text. The only thing in common here is nostalgia, right? And getting all the nostalgia. So that's there. Everything else is a totally different text. And there have been other versions of that text with other, with the same beginning, but with extra verses added. So let's do the whole thing, huh? Ready? Now, I might modulate up or down for the la la la's for some of our higher voices, okay? So those with low voices, just go down an octave or whatever you want to do. I know that there are a few tenors who would appreciate going into a different key. In fact, let's start here. Let's do... Let's try it. Yeah, it will be quite... The high note will be very high for tenors, but could be nice for sopranos. Yeah, ехали тройки с бубенцами, а вдали мелькали огоньки. Мне б сейчас, соколики, за вами душу бы развеять от тоски. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, из песни той, что вдаль летит за меня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Ай, дай, 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 going up. Так, живя без радости, без муки, помню я ушедшие года и твои серебряные руки в тройке улетевшей навсегда. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, из песни той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною да семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Ай, дай, 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 Let's go higher. Дни бегут печали, умножая. Мне так трудно прошлое забыть. Как-нибудь однажды, дорогая, вы меня придете хоронить. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, из песни той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Ай, дай, 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 Okay, we will do it one more time, but before we do it, how do you feel? Yeah, some really high, some really low, but a few of you, did you sing in all the keys? Let's see, huh? Anyone sang in all the keys? Somebody preferred the higher key? No, yeah, lower, the low one. You see, I think it's okay to jump around. Now we will stay in the first key now and sing through the whole song and add a bit more of that Russian emotion, slowing down, speeding up. I hope you can follow me. Can you follow me? When I speed up, I think I make it kind of clear, so try to catch me as I do this, yeah? So we will make it a bit schmaltzy, as we say. It sounds to us schmaltzy, it sounds to us exaggerated, but it's perfectly within the frame of that taste, of that time, of that, that era. So we can go like that and be really, really expressive. So, ездили, that's our key. Ездили на тройке с бубенцами, а вдали мелькали огоньки. Мне б сейчас соколики заманить, душу мне развеять от тоски. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так и мучила меня. Так, живя без радости, без муки, помню я ушедшие года и твои серебряные руки в тройке, улетевшей навсегда. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, да семиструнною, что по ночам так и мучила меня. Дни бегут печали умножая, мне так трудно прошлое забыть. Как-нибудь однажды, дорогая, вы меня придете хоронить. Дорогой длинною и ночью лунною, и с песней той, что вдаль летит звеня, и с той старинною, с той семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. Like that. What do you think? Lovely. Well, we stayed online. That's the pleasing news. How do you feel? What do you think? It's interesting to sing it in Russian, right? Those of you who haven't done it, it's interesting to sing it in Russian. And does it feel more Russian to you? Does it actually feel Russian? When you have this Mary Hopkins version of it, it sounds very coherent in English. It's a nice pop song with a beautiful melody, but when you hear it as a Russian art song, the Vertinsky version that's on the website, it's such a it's as what's the word? The essence of the Russian art song. This is it: stretched verse and then speeding up chorus. Yamshik Nigani. We have this other Coachman song. We have quite a few of these already in our Sing With Me repertoire. So, yeah, that's that's how the song is. So we're going to finish with La La La's one more time before we stop this session. We have 1 more minute. Now, on Monday, there is no Yiddish session because it's Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, a Jewish holiday, so I didn't want to interfere with our observant members of our community. And then we have, I think, a Russian session. I can't remember. So basically, watch out for the dates online. And please have your thoughts for our final session where we need to share what to do next, whether not to do anything, whether to carry on, how to carry on, and all that, okay? I'm thinking you have a think. We seem to have a constant-ish number of people, 20-something for these and 30-something for the Yiddish ones. Eve Sikula has just joined for one last second. Okay. All right, here we go. Swelly, you have turned on. Let's switch you off. Let's go. Die, die. Die, 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 keep singing, keep positive. Love to everyone. Bye.